Welcome to Sunnydale Farm, where all the animals are the best of friends and love to have fun. Let's meet our barnyard buddies.
I'm Henry the horse. I love to gallop and play in the fields.
I'm Chloe the chicken. I like to lay eggs and peck at seeds.
I'm Percy the pig. I enjoy rolling in the mud.
I'm Bella the cow. I love munching on fresh grass.
And so the barnyard buddies set off on their adventure, full of excitement and wonder.
Friends, let's go on an adventure today.
Yes, let's explore the farm and see what fun we can find.
Maybe we can have a picnic.
And we can play games too.
Look at those beautiful flowers. Let's pick some for our picnic.
And there are tasty seeds over there. We can gather some too.
These strawberries are the best.
Let's find a nice spot under the big tree by the pond.
Barnyard buddies found the perfect spot for their picnic. They shared their delicious treats and enjoyed the warm sunshine. After their picnic, the barnyard buddies played games and had so much fun together.
Let's play tag. I'll be it first.
Catch me if you can.
Let's race to the big tree and back.
This is so much fun.
As the sun began to set, the barnyard buddies discovered a wonderful surprise near the pond.
Look, a family of ducks is swimming in the pond.
And they're quacking a lovely song.
It's like they're saying thank you for visiting.
What a perfect ending to our adventure. The barnyard buddies waved goodbye to the ducks and headed back to the barn, happy and tired from their exciting day. They knew that every day on Sunnydale Farm could be a new adventure, as long as they had each other. And so our friends went to sleep with smiles on their faces, dreaming of the next great farm adventure. Good night, barnyard buddies.